If you gotta, I'm never myself.
Hello everyone, my name is Daniel Nelson, aka Thabudd, your sobriety buddy. Today, we're diving deep into the challenges of getting sober. The jitters, the cravings, and even those phantom sensations that make you wonder, what's going on with my body and mind? Imagine your life as a high-powered computer, running for years with alcohol as its default program. Over time, it slows you down, corrupts your files, and drains your battery. By quitting, you're pressing the reset button to debug your system. It's not easy, but I promise you, it's worth it. Together, we'll explore what happens to your body, how to handle the challenges, and what tools can help you not just survive, but thrive in sobriety. When you quit drinking, your body undergoes a complete system reboot. Here's the science. Alcohol disrupts neurotransmitters in your brain, like dopamine, the feel-good chemical, and GABA, which helps you calm down. When you stop drinking, these neurotransmitters are out of balance, leaving you feeling anxious, restless, and craving relief. Withdrawal symptoms can start as soon as 6 to 12 hours after your last drink, include sweating, tremors, insomnia, and irritability. When I first quit, I couldn't sleep. I lied awake for hours, tossing and turning, tasting liquor even though I hadn't touched a drop. These phantom cravings felt real, like my body was playing tricks on me. But understand that this was a normal part of the healing process. Help me find some peace. Cravings aren't just physical, they're psychological. Over the years, your brain has formed deep associations between alcohol and certain situations, emotions, or even tastes. These triggers activate your reward system, making you crave alcohol as a solution to stress, boredom, or celebration. But here's the good news. Cravings don't last forever. Research shows they typically peak within 20 minutes. By learning to ride out that wave, you gain control over your mind and body. Globally, alcohol contributes to 3 million deaths each year, making it one of the leading causes of preventable mortality. In the US, excessive drinking costs the economy $249 billion annually due to healthcare expenses, lost productivity, and criminal justice costs. Heavy drinking doesn't just hurt your body, it impacts your relationships, finances, and emotional well-being. Studies show that excessive drinking is linked to higher rates of divorce, domestic conflicts, and job loss. It's like paying for a program that corrupts your most important files, your loved ones, and your sense of self. If you've ever felt overwhelmed by regret, whether it's lost time, money, or connections, know this: recognizing the cost of drinking is the first step towards reclaiming control. When cravings hit, try this breathing technique. Inhale for 4 seconds. Hold for 4 counts. Exhale for 6 counts. Repeat until your mind and body feels calmer. Pair this with physical activity, like martial arts, are excellent for grounding your energy and building focus. Cravings often intensify when your body is dehydrated or lacking nutrients. Keep it simple. Drink plenty of water and focus on foods that nourish you. For example, liver-loving salad. Combine spinach, beets, avocado, and lemon juice to detox and support your recovery. Hydration salad. Cucumber, watermelon, and mint help rehydrate and replenish vitamins. When cravings hit, remind yourself, this feeling is temporary. Each time I reset, I'm rewiring my brain to choose something better. Here are 3 powerful apps available for Android and iOS to help you stay on track. I Am Sober tracks your sober days and milestones. Provides daily motivation and community support. Reframe combines neuroscience and behavioral psychology to help you understand your drinking patterns. Offers tools to reframe your mindset and resist cravings. Quit That, a simple app for tracking multiple habits, allows you to log not just your sober days, but also money saved and health benefits gained. I've met people from all walks of life who's overcome addiction. One friend lost everything: family, job, and health. But through support groups and small daily changes, he rebuilt his life. His journey reminds us that recovery isn't about perfection, it's about persistence. If you're here today, you've already taken the hardest step, deciding to change. Your story can inspire others, and your progress, no matter how small, is worth celebrating. Sobriety is like debugging your life. It's about identifying what's not working, fixing it, and installing healthier habits. Each day you stay sober, you strengthen your new system. So set the next time you face a craving or a relentless night, remind yourself, this is temporary. Each choice you make brings you closer to the best version of yourself. Tonight, take one step. Download the Sobriety app. Write down 3 reasons you're choosing this path, and prepare a nourishing meal. Every small action builds momentum. Thank you for letting me share this journey with you. Remember, you got this. And stay awesome, stay focused, and keep thriving.
I'm ready for the fight, got my head held high, shining like the brightest light. Believing in myself, I'm the king of my own throne. Resilience in my soul.